Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 5:27 p.m. August 19th, beautiful Wednesday, and if you were paying attention to the markets intraday, just an incredible symmetrical triangle basing on this perfect gap fill back here. It doesn't get any prettier than this, and resolved to the upside, which is again with all the market internals behind it, a good little volume spike pop up, and had some good confirmation. We saw it fighting the $100 mark for a while, tested through that. If I were to drop a line through that, we actually worked our way above and below that almost all day long. And here's some post-market data also holding up right around the $100 mark. So not bad at all. It's amazing beginning to a complete gap fill from this gap down a couple days ago. All right, so not too shabby. So $100.50 was some support and resistance. If you wanted to fine-tune that to $100.70, that would be pretty good for the S&P ETF. And again, if I was going to take apart the trend, here's the trend itself. Just one little volume, spike up here at the end of the day after being bullish almost the entire day. Now we're just sort of neutral. And the trend Q, pretty great. So 0.8. And bullish again, still right in that bullish zone, but not over bullish. And the VIX, fantastic. Here's that symmetrical triangle breakout with subsequent failure of the VIX. That's great to see that, and a perfect gap fill of him. It held up very, very nicely. So actually the VIX is looking a little bit weaker, which is a little bit more positive than even the broad market because it made this perfect gap fill. And if you sort of go back, let me go out one time frame here, we're still shy of that perfect gap fill in the spiders. So pretty good confirmation. Tomorrow should be an interesting day in that we are still hovering right around the 100 MA and the 50 MA on a 60-minute chart along with this gap fill. But if you go out to a daily chart, and you can sort of see this almost a bullish engulfing candle of the previous two bars, that's pretty amazing bounce off this support from this gap, which has now been tested a couple times. So watch out for him in the future as support, but it's sort of resetting himself right now to be more support. Very good. If we can hold up in here, consolidate, work our way higher, back up into this, chew our way out of that, that'd be pretty incredible. So great to see that. Excellent working with everybody. If I go one more time frame to a weekly, not too bad here either. Higher swing lows. I'm still looking for another high base formation or a pullback that I can then mark a higher swing low out of, and it's just going to take some time to work out. But that's what I see both short and long term in the markets. And once again, it's great working with everybody, and I'll be talking to you soon.